Now taking towards the third method using an itertools.chain. In this method we are going to import the two libraries, which is an itertools, into the collections over here. And after that we are going to initialize, and after that we are storing the itertools.chain in our x value. So what this is does is this is going to the itertools.chain method is going to go through each and every element of our dictionaries item over here, and it will go through until the iterable approach is not exhausted over here. You can add up till how many dictionaries which you want to merge. Like here we have the 2, so that's why I'm going up to the 2 approach. If we have the 3, then we are going to go up to the 3 approach over here, which I will show you afterwards. And after that we are going to have a default dictionary which is in the collection over here, which is just having the which is empty dictionary from the start, but it's having an key into the value strokes up till as a null over here. And then we are going to have a for loop which is going to have the key and the values in our this itertools.chain method, which is going to give us an output as the key and the values, which we are going to add the values over here having to the same keys in our dictionary 3, and we are going to print it. As you can see, it's again like much more like a union of both of the dictionaries over here. Now let's talk about the third dictionaries, right? If we have the third dictionary, then we are going to add it like this. Let's say dictionary 3. 17. Okay. And we are going to add our third dictionary over here. So what it's gonna do is the chain method is going to go through each and every element of our 3 of the dictionaries, and it will find those common values, and it's gonna add them if it has find the same keys, and if not, then it's just going to add the summation of it in our third dictionary over here. Let me show you. Okay, as you can see, the y was only in our second dictionary, and the third dictionary, which is having consistently value of 81 and to the 19. Summoning that up, we get 100. Same goes for then x, which is was 45, 19 and to the 20. Last value was 64 plus 20 tends to 84. And same goes for the 17, I mean the d, which was a 15 plus 17, we get it as 32.